You're about to take the 7th grade math quarter 2 midterm. If for any reason you need to pause, rewind, or fast forward, you may do so at any time. Subpart 1, Non-Calculator Section. Sample question. Number 1. Bubble in F on your document. Directions. There are 10 selected response questions on the non-calculator portion of this exam. You will show all of your work on this subpart in the test booklet, but be sure to bubble in your answer on your bubble sheet. 2 questions to note. Questions 7 and 8 are multi-select. When you finish subpart 1, place face down on the top corner of your desk and raise your hand. Your teacher will give you a calculator and take this subpart from you. You will not be allowed to see this subpart once you have received your calculator. Number 2. Find the product. Negative 8 over 9 times negative 6 over 7 equals negative 56 over 54, B, negative 48 over 63, C, 48 over 63, D, 56 over 54. 3. Compute. 3 over 8 divided by negative 0.25. A, negative 1 1/2. B, negative 2/3. C, 2/3. D, 1 1/2. 4. Which of the following expressions could be used to solve the expression below? Negative 4, parentheses, 5 plus negative 2, close parentheses. A, negative 4 times 5 minus 2. B, negative 4 times 5 plus 4 times 2. C, negative 4 times 5 times negative 4 times negative 2. D, negative 1 times 4 times 5 plus 4 times 2. 5. Which expression can be used to solve the expression below? Negative 9.5 minus negative 4.1 minus 3.3. A, negative 9.5 minus 4.1 minus 3.3. B, negative 9.5 plus negative 4.1 plus 3.3. C, negative 9.5 plus negative 3.3 plus 4.1. D, 4.1 minus 3.3 minus negative 9.5. 6. The variables P and Q represent positive integers. Which expressions will result in a positive product? Select all that apply. A, negative P times negative Q. B, negative, parentheses, negative P times Q, close parentheses. C, negative P times negative Q times negative P. D, negative P times Q times negative P. E, P times negative Q times P. F, negative, parentheses, negative P times negative Q, close parentheses. 7. Which expression will have the same quotient as the expression below? Negative y over x. Select all that apply. A, negative y over x. B, negative y over negative x. C, y over negative x. D, negative y divided by negative x. E, negative, parentheses, negative y divided by negative x, close parentheses. 8. Which expression is equivalent to the expression below? Negative 3 parentheses, x minus 8, close parentheses, plus 0.5x. A, negative 3x plus 24. B, negative 2.5x plus 24. C, negative 2.5x minus 8. D, negative 3.5x plus 24. 9. What is the value of the expression below? Negative 7 minus parentheses, negative 4, close parentheses, plus parentheses, negative 6.5, close parentheses. A, 3.5. B, 0.5. C, negative 9.5. D, negative 17.5. 10. Examine the number line below. Q, R, S, negative 1, 0, 1. Which of the following expressions is going to be positive? A, Q plus S. B, Q minus S. C, S minus Q. D, Q plus R. 11. Which value is equivalent to 4 over 64? A, 0.0625. B, 0.16. C, 0.625. D, 0.64. Subpart 2, Calculator section. Directions. There are 5 selected response and a multi-part constructed response task on the calculator allowed portion of the assessment. 12. The lowest in California is about 80 meters below sea level. The lowest elevation in Louisiana is also below sea level and is about 1/4 the value of California's lowest elevation. Which value best represents the lowest elevation in meters in Louisiana? A, negative 320. B, negative 20. C, 20. D, 320. 13. 2 bags are weighted. Bag A weighs 104.8 pounds. Bag B weighs 104.18 pounds. Which statement is true? A, the bags weigh the same amount. B, bag A weighs 0.62 of a pound more than bag B. C, bag A weighs 0.675 of a pound more than bag B. D, bag B weighs 0.725 of a pound more than bag A. 14. Simplify the expression below. 2.1 m minus 5.2 plus 3.7 m minus 6.4. A, 5.8 m plus 1.2. B, 5.8 m minus 1.2. C, 5.8 m minus 11.6. D, 5.8 m plus 11.6. 15. Which situation would lead to a quotient that would be the best represented as negative 188? A, a debt of $752 is evenly split among 4 family members. B, there are 752 cookies evenly split among 4 birthday parties. C, there are 4 acres of land evenly split to grow 752 blueberry bushes. D, a river's 4-inch decrease in water level is evenly split over 752 hours. 16. A business's balance sheet shows a balance of negative $516. The business wants to have a balance of $300 after 6 more months. If the business plans to profit the same amount each month, how much money does it need to profit each month to have a balance of $300 after 6 more months? A, $56, B, $136, C, $154, D, $218. Constructed response task. In a game, students spin a spinner to earn points. Use the scoring guide below to answer the following questions. Color, points. Red, 3 points. Orange, 1 point. Yellow, -1/2 point. Green, -2 points. Part A. If Kanaya spins red once, orange once, does not spin a yellow, and has a total score of 0, how many times does she spin green? Explain your thinking. Part B. 2 students score their points as follows. Angel spins red twice, yellow 3 times, and green twice. Jerome spins red once, orange twice, and green 4 times. Which student has the higher score, and by how many points? Justify your answer. C. The students start a new game and multiply all the point values by -1.75. Under these conditions, if Janice spins red once, orange 3 times, and does not spin yellow, what is the minimum number of green spins that Janice needs to have a positive score? Show all of your work below.